Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the simple and updated way to search for videos on the Telegram app using your PC. Whether you're looking for video clips shared in chats, groups, or channels, this method makes finding your favorite content quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed so you can access all the new features and improvements. Once the app is open, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see the search bar. This bar is your gateway to exploring everything Telegram has to offer, not just messages, but files and media as well. Click on the search bar to activate it. You'll notice it reveals different filter options to narrow down what you want to find. From the choices available, select videos. This will focus your search exclusively on video files, filtering out other types of content like text messages or images. Now, type in the keyword or phrase related to the video you want to find. For example, if you're searching for travel vlogs, type travel or something more specific like Paris trip. Telegram will instantly start showing video results that match your search query across your chats, groups, and channels. As the results populate, you can scroll through the videos and click any that catch your eye to watch or download directly from the app. This feature is great for quickly locating any video content without having to scroll endlessly through conversations or media galleries. It saves you valuable time and makes your Telegram experience far more efficient. So, just to recap, open Telegram, click the search bar, choose videos, and enter your search term. It's that simple. Try it out today, and enjoy seamless video searching on Telegram for PC. Thanks for watching.